Hi everybody, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you how to make pot stickers, or the Japanese call it gyoza. And I'm using this type of round wrappers, just like wonton skins, but they're round. So it comes in a package like this. And these are some that I made. And then this is a pork hash. The link will be below to tell you how to make this. And it has fresh shrimp in it. So it's a little tricky to do, but it looks really nice when you make it. So you put in about a spoonful of the meat mixture. And then I like to wet like half of it with my finger. And then don't shut it yet. Just kind of lightly close it. And then wet the outside too. And what you have to do is you have to hold it in the middle with your thumbs and then pleat it. But you're only pleating one side of it. And now you pinch it, and that's why you need the water to seal it. Okay, now you do the other side. One pleat, two pleats, and three pleats. And these can either be steamed in the frying pan or fried, deep fried. So here it is here. I wet about half of it and just kind of flip it over, but don't seal it yet. And then wet the outside too. Now from the middle, make a pleat here, pinch, 3 pleats. 1, 2, and 3. So squeeze it tight so it seals. Now I'm going to do the right side, and the pleat goes this way. 1, 2, and 3. Squeeze it tight, and there you have it. Do one more. And you can't put too much in because you'll have a hard time closing it. So again, wet the half, fold it over lightly, wet the top edge, and put your finger in here, and you're only pleating the outside part. So 1, squeeze tight. Sometimes it doesn't stick, so I have to make sure it's wet. 1, 2, and 3, and squeeze it. And then on this side, 1 pleat, 2 pleats, and 3. Now we're doing the pot stickers, and what you do is the flat side, put it down, and I've heated the pan and added just about a teaspoon of oil, or you can spray it, and that's it. And again, do not make these too early because they'll stick to the plate and everything will be broken. Sorry, there's our dog, husky dog. think that's about it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it brown on the edges for about 3 minutes or so, 3 or 4 minutes. Let's see, 3 minutes. Now we're going to fry the pot stickers, and all you have to do is just give it a light spray, or you can put a little oil if you want, and not too high because it tends to burn quickly. And the other thing you have to realize is you can't make it too early, because you see how it sticks, and I have to patch it up. And fairly low heat because it tends to brown very quickly, or burn really. So you only fry one side. Okay. Now we're gonna time it for about 3 minutes. Okay. And then when it's brown, then we're gonna pour a little water and cover it for another 3 minutes, and it'll be done. So now it's been 3 minutes, so I'm gonna pour some water. It's hot, about a 1/4 cup, and then cover it for another 3 minutes. That's it. Okay, it's been 3 minutes, and you see the water has evaporated, and it's ready to take out. So the bottom is nicely brown, and we can plate it. See the bottom? You don't want it too black. If you have it too high and too long, it'll be very ugly. Okay, and let's give it a taste. Very nice. And don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and comment. And if you like this video, tell your friends about it. And thank you for watching. Mahalo.